Go on. Oh dear. Yo, she walk with Mike.
I watch me pokey a river, me a figure. Me no want me pokey rank.
Oh, my.
The ladies then in Hanover, they're giving the coochie 2 dear.
Welcome to the social media countdown. Yeah. Okay. Then, all right. It's a Monday evening. Are you my friend? Are you locked in? Yeah. Then step the way. Oh. All right, shut him out now. Alexa, shut up. Box cover, this is Dutty Berry, and welcome to another Monday social media top 10 countdown, because on Mondays we do it big, and unlike Wednesday and Friday we're giving just 5 topics per Monday at the big episode, okay? And so we have a whole heap of things we're going to talk about. We have Spice and Naro reuniting pan the fix. We have one message that bro God Andrew Holness himself got. We are talking about the Wireless Festival. We are talking about Buju Banton concert and so much more. So just sit back, relax, and get ready for another awesome countdown.
The Dutty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, him cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Kitty message. All right. So, you know, Miss Kitty, she is now a Mrs. Mommy, and she has been enjoying motherhood. And I met the girls, them know all of the stress, the trials, and the tribulations that mothers have to undergo. Take a watch.
All I can say, any man who ill-treat them baby mother or partner during pregnancy, them are go L headway and fast. And any picnic will come this them good mother, you go L headway and fast. Because I'm telling you, it's a lot. The money they may I tell you, the psychology, everything. Alright, sometimes I don't even remember. Like I said, just I'm in the bed all day now. Because you just in the baby, into the baby. You don't eat all day because you're into the baby. It's like you're perpetually tired. And then me did go through the part where I even know it happened to. But them time when she just born, every ball she ball, me ball too.
Boy, Miss Kitty cannot relate, but me know how it go. Cause me hear with a single mothers, baby mothers talk about them constant tiredness. And so, you know, you're not gonna hear a Miss Kitty message without you hear one little 1 and 2 big word. And so maybe for some of you think that this word is a big word, but just for those of you who don't know, let me just go ask Alexa, what does perpetual mean?
As an adjective, perpetual means continuing or enduring forever, everlasting. As a noun, perpetual means a hybrid rose that is perpetual. Also, I can give you notifications on new movies being released. Would you like me to do that?
No, that is it. Shut up. All right, now, so on that note, big up the girl, them were perpetually I get born. Wow! Big up the youth, them were perpetually I throw them chicken in the middle of the night. Yo! So Marinos, if you're watching, please try to use the word perpetually in a sentence. Me I look feet in the comments, okay? Number 9, taxi man apology. Me robot. All right, now, so you know, some time ago on the social media account, me gonna talk about the story here, but I completely got it wrong. Me get it twisted. I do not know, like me the dyslexic in my memory bank, and so let me just go report my story. So you know, some time ago, this taxi man decided, say, him want to go load for him, you know, vehicle and make sure, say, him get as many passengers as possible. So him go have this lady now sit down in a film seat, you know, the driver's seat, and him go into the woman's lap. Him go sit down in the woman's lap and did a, you know, yes, he was driving, but there was a passenger in the back seat that saw what was taking place. And she decided to go and take a little video and put on social media. But little did she know that that video was going to get the man into bangarang with the police officers, the popo, because he then had to jump out and issue this apology.
Afternoon. one and all afternoon the nation. I'm Calvin Cameron, the driver that was in the viral video, being sitting in a passenger's lap, which it was a careless and reckless act. I'm here with the Transport Authority. I'm apologizing to the nation. I'm letting you all know this is not a regular occurrence and this is something that will never happen again. So I'm apologizing to one and I'm apologizing to all. Please accept my apology.
Oh God, man, oh God. You know, why the police officers them always I get them poor people and I get them to come to the public and apologize? Like something about it. I just want more balance. Like, I understand the brother did it wrong, but can we get some of the rich people them to do this too? We want some of the uptown people them too, when them do them little wrongdoings and get catch. We want them for go in front of the camera them too and issue an apology like this. Because we have to go balance it. Okay, we have to balance it. Because it cannot look like you just try them things here with the up and coming, trying youths them in a society. Okay? And so, you know, people, just be careful when you not capture the little stuff them from social media. Like, if that is not the intent, just know, say, you can't end up informed from the people them. Just be mindful. But then again, we live now and day and age where everybody are informed on themselves. So, Berrydos, let me know, would you have jumped out of the taxi if that is how your driver decided to take you along your journey? Or you would have stayed there and just reach where you reach, if you reach there into pieces or in just one? Sound off below. Number 8, KFC tries me barbecue chicken. Okay, like I at this point in time, me keep on I was saying the other day, say I think only 3 places in Jamaica where me see people really made the effort for join a line, right? We never say 2, which was like, you know, embassy, yeah man, US embassy. Oh gosh, and then you have the where that now, bank, a bank, yes, bank, the bank line. You know, you just end up for join it, and there's a no, not bank. You have the embassy line. Yes, that's the US embassy line. You have KFC, of course, KFC line. And there's a 3rd line that I never think about. Devon House on a Sunday. For that Sunday ice cream, like, trust me, I was up there and the people them did join that line. Oh God. And the 2 last places I mentioned, you see KFC and Devon House are must stops for tourists when them come here. So this YouTube couple, they're a very popular YouTube couple, are boasting over 1 million subscribers on their YouTube channel. They go by the name of Ping and Lam. They were even recently on Sunrise doing an interview, and they were making their way around the island, you know, checking out different experiences and the culinary culture of the island. And so, you know, them could do without going to KFC. So when they went, this was their review, reaction. Watch.
Just touched down
in Kingston, Jamaica. We're gonna try KFC.
So we're here.
Original, spicy,
and barbecue. We have decided to feed everybody inside this KFC. Hey! Hey! There is something about the Jamaican KFC.
We got more. Barbecue. Oh my God. What? Lamb. I love this one.
This is the best KFC in the world. I have never tasted anything like this in my life.
It's so good.
This Jamaican barbecue KFC chicken.
Next level.
That is it, man. KFC will do the charm each and every time. Like, boy, oh boy. Like, honestly, right now I feel like I have a, no, you never tried the big back yet? Like, I've been on my big back energy and go up there, have the zinger, the 2-piece crispies. I have about 2 of the big backs them already, and trust me, my belly is still full after. So clearly me and the worm them need to have a little talk. Oh gosh, Berrydos, just let me know, are you like this to encourage your tourist friends to try KFC when they visit as well? Sound off below. Number 7, festival song winner. Woo! oh, my VIP. Okay, no, and I said VIP because according to this winner, she is VIP don't mean very important person. It means visually impaired professional. And so that is the what you call it, the title of the latest festival song winner. Her name is Camelia Candy Isaacs. I hope I'm getting her name correctly. And she won for her single titled One Jamaica.
We never give up on God, cause him not give up on we. Out of many we are one nation, one family. We activate rising faith and joyfully celebrate one Jamaica. The sweet Jamaica where we born and grow, attracting tourists all over globe. We never go dim, we will always shine, displaying pure love from the true divine. Yes, we have problems we can solve as we keep looking to the Lord above. One Jamaica, one blessed island, protected by Jehovah's mighty hand. So make we come with the negative and then come with the positive. Sing praises to Jah each day, whose mercy extend our way. It's how we good place of burning, paradise here on earth. One love.
You know, congratulations, Miss VIP, Camelia Isaacs. And so, you know, this is not her first time entering. I think she entered in 2021 as well. And I think she might have entered a gospel competition as well. And so she's constantly trying, but this year was the year for her. And so me just like happy for this song. And I actually like it. One Jamaica, I did listen to all of the submissions. And I believe that hers was definitely one of the strongest ones in the competition. And so it's no surprise that she won. And hopefully we get to hear the song on rotation leading up to, of course, Grand Gala time. So Berritos, let me know if you enjoyed her single. Sound off in the comments. Number 6, Buju, return, me gargamel. Alright, I don't know what that was, but like that was my Buju impression. Like I thought it was spot on.
Want a girl to say she want a man. Want a man. Got to Nikki come check me. She knew what's very long. Not upon it.
Isn't that the Buju?
Driver, don't stop at all. Job it up.
I honestly thought that was good. Like people are just hating in these streets. Anyway, so Buju Banton brought his long walk to freedom to New York City, Queens to be exact, and it was a sold out show. Like when I tell you, you know, the place did ram. I'm gonna talk like no, we're not talking about like a mass camp capacity. We are talk like, I think of people like Chris Brown and them people that could have sell out venues like that, but Buju Banton proved that he could drive himself there and deliver a stellar performance and to please all of his fans. And so, you know, this is about like 15 years since Buju Banton has touched the United States of America. And so, of course, you know, he must be elated to be able to perform there, because many people did say they don't think that was going to be possible. And from what I gather online, the show did shell. Just watch some of the highlights.
His timing is perfect. His plan is perfect. He's got you right where he wants you. Keep pursuing him.
You will never come back to the United States of America. And I said to them, let's see what God will do. All rises to the sun, they want to walk down, walk to the spreading the words that they are not satisfied, even though I'm tired.
That is it, Buju Banton. And so, you know, he brought out several performers like Nadine Sutherland, you know, she and Mrs. Action. Ooh, 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 you know, I love Nadine Sutherland. I never fall in love. This is for my... Alright, me need to stop. Cause every time I talk about Nadine Sutherland, I have to do my little Nadine impression. Cause she always have to do the little movie. And then she bring out Graham Smargan. And him come like, you know, he always remind me of the brother from the Berenstain Bears. When you watch a cartoon there, you just seem like one character, like one elder statesman. You know, from the Berenstain Bears. The Berenstain Bears. I would try that used to come upon. I never remember, but I feel like TVJ used to carry it. Anyway, big up myself, Buju Banton. I like said they have him head wrap up like Jesus and stuff like that, like him, you know, a long walk to freedom. Like if me never know the whole story of Buju Banton, more the things say him and like all Malcolm X, Martin Luther King, Sam Sharp and what the man named Nelson Mandela, they go through the same struggle. If me never know the exact, you know, situation, it would have passed me. So me like the marketing and the branding and yeah man, him did look like the second coming of like Christ.
Now here is this week's random video of the week.
You want to put on a wig?
Put on a wig.
I don't want to put on a wig. Why?
Number 5, Jamaicans at Wireless Fest. Okay, my readers know, so why? The Jamaicans were out and stunting. And me I got include Nicki Minaj because she is an honorary Jamaican at this time because she celebrates Jamaica more than she celebrates Trinidad. That's supposed to be our hometown, yeah man. She in our hometown more than she in a fair hometown. And so you had Skillibeng there, you had Valiant there, you had Vanessa Bling, and they were just giving it to the audience. The audience didn't know them songs and the songs didn't know the people. It was just a whole kumbaya session. But I just take my word for it as usual. Look at the clips them, man, and check out the artists them.
First thing I'ma do when I pop out is tell my nigga, yo, make sure you got the clock out. Popped out, looking like a knockout. Told you bitches, but they dropped out. When I watch out, told them watch out. I got the talk single when they see me as a cop out. They don't get the big picture, they get clapped out. By somebody with the locks out. And I bring it. They get the car back, then I bring it. I ain't take that gal, man, you know what the ops out. That's right. What I look like in your eyesight. Then I try and run, get that right. But
Yeah, man, and so, you know, the Jamaicans, they definitely did put on a show. I thoroughly enjoyed the clips that I saw. And so, boy, you know, once again, it just shows that, you know, Jamaican music is not just limited to our shores. Like, people love us all around. Like, I couldn't imagine so much Caucasian people that sing out Vanessa Bling. Dedicated to, you get me, man? Like, that was just like, I never sing it from them. You know, like how them listen to, what you call it now, SZA. And what the girl is sing, nobody knows me, Money Long. That is how passionately they were singing the Vanessa Bling. And like, big up that single, big up Vanessa, because after that, I'm think the girl them talk about love again. Girl them just what you call it, trick the man them, take the money and jump in one bus. Big up Jada Kingdom. And them type of talent independent. The girl them not talk about no love again. That's the last time in a dance hall, you hear no woman really sing about no love. Even though she did talk about her pum and make it be a little sacrificial lamb. But at the end of the day, like, what else you must offer, man? Personality? In a dance hall? Dance hall? What else woman supposed to bring to the table? Outside of her mouth and her throat and her own. Love? Oh, God, that's funny. Oh, God. I don't know what Vanessa Bling was on, but boy, love in dancehall. That's a wild concept in 2024. Oh, God. And I was also thinking, you know, Valiant sang with Mad Out. I mean, I listened to me, I said, a lot of people out there sing Mad Out. And how it did cause the controversy. And I'm like, Valiant did say he's going to dedicate this to mental health awareness. Why didn't Valiant do a performance down at Bellevue for the people there? Like, why didn't he do something, team up with Ramesh Entertainment, and actually put on a performance down there? Because I think it would be a little bit iconic. Not a little iconic. It would be very iconic if Valiant went there and sang Mad Out for the people at Bellevue. Like, it would be a good concert series. Let me know what you think about it as well, Burritos and the Wireless Fest. Would you like to attend in the future? Sound off below. You know what I write it. Number 4, bro God question. Okay, so picture this, Burritos. If you had the opportunity to be in the company of the Prime Minister, the Honorable Andrew Holness, what would you want to discuss with him? What would you want to hear out? What kind of concerns you would share? What question, major impactful question, would you want to ask him? Just watch this video and see what this man asked, because Jaja.
Wait for the end.
And sometimes it's all 2 and 3 and 4, right? Which should be, because this would be a really peaceful place. So I encourage you to keep it that way.
Andrew, ask the ladies them why don't they give it such a hard time? They get too dear in Hanover. The ladies them in Hanover, they're giving the coochie too dear.
No, you know what, brother? No, why would you? When they ask about the price, why the woman them are selling the why it's so expensive? Like, why would you ask the Prime Minister that? That is not appropriate. Me just glad because I'm nervous enough because I feel like I'm going to follow up that I'm going to ask about. When I bring up the story there, but you know, Burritos. Me did nervous, but I'm glad to see you right there, so. Because if him they actually follow up and say, how much did they pay for? How much did they pay for? How much money they spend for get something they own? I mean, I say, Jesus Christ, because you know my mind dark sometimes. I say, God, thank God that person they know them limit. Because if you are the Prime Minister, you'd have to just make the secret people them just come give me 1 and 2 thumb up in their face now. Because I'm glad to say the video just cut off right there, so. Because he could have pressed it and go further with it, you know. Because I say, whoa. But anyway, Burritos, I'm not going to ask the youth them, but I know we're not decent people. We're not decent people, because I'm going to ask you, do you agree that the price of the kuchan-chan, that it is, you know, there's an increase, GCT and tax gone on it? You get me? Do you agree? Sound off in the comments. Okay. Number 3, Ras Wine, Miss Selassie. Alright, so I don't really know if Selassie wants to be a part of this number, but let's just see. So let me tell you about it. Nowadays, a TikTok generation, everybody I discover said they have waistline. Because one time the woman them alone see a gyrate and a move, but like, me don't know what happened, but the man them realize, boom, boom, actually have one waist so I can move now. So I think say everybody just get in awe of their talents and show it off. But little could we know that it would eventually reach somebody who sports locks, dreads, could be a potential Rasta man. Just watch at how well the bubblings did go on over here, so press pre. man, I just think to the brother they wind him way out of Zion Gate right there. So like that is, you know what? We don't want him to go. Where is Sizzler? Where would they put Sizzler place called them then they go stay there? Me I wonder what is Sizzler stance and stuff like this. I actually wonder. But it definitely show you that not because you sport locks and you're a Rasta, everybody different. Yeah, so you have some Rasta who might okay with whining. I have other Rastas where they are just militant and them just not gonna do them something here. And so it's nice to see that there is also what you call it, differences in the Rastafarian community. That's all me have to say right now about like why it's interesting. It is definitely interesting. Sound of Burritos, like, have you seen more Rasta men acting up like this? Sound of in the comments. Number 2, fixing things. Me blue shoes. Alright, Burritos know. So this was not on my 2024 bingo. Me never did see this coming. Like honestly, yeah man, like when Ja Rule, Ja Cure did sing. Never see it coming. But the next thing you know, Spice I sit down with Naro, I do interview on the Fix YouTube channel. Now the video really did jump out at the time of shooting this video. The video not out yet, but definitely saw the teasers, we see like a backstage snippets and pictures, and it seems like they were all having a very fun and joyful occasion. It looked like said the place was, what the word I'm going to use now countdown again? Enter in full command, man. I used it in the countdown a couple days ago. If nobody remembers my word, enjoymentical. That is it. See the command, man. Come on, Burritos. I'm here now. I'm here now a while ago, remind me, okay? Yeah, man, it looked like it was a very enjoymentical occasion. And let me just come show you a piece of the video with them reuniting on the set. Just watch.
Oh, God. Oh, dear. Yo, she walk with Mike if she cool your foot. Oh God. Of course.
You know, I love it. It's interesting. It's interesting. I'm just in shock. No, let me not get it wrong. The whole entire thing look fake. But it's supposed to be fake because Spice know reality TV, so she know the little fakeness. She know the little stuff them at promotion time. She promote her album. She know where to get the people them talking because she has been on a promo run. But I'm not take none of them promo run interviews that are gonna really hit the streets like how this interview with the Fix will do it. Right? Because we know the history. That years ago when she had her captured EP mixtape did for drop out when she did promote Black Hypocrisy, that she invited the Fix to the launch, and you know the interview went left. She did get pretty teasy and all of them for jumpy, no one kind of put some little badness towards Naro and the Fix team, and she concluded that conversation by telling him to go and mother. Take a look at the video right here, so.
We never talk anything about your appearance. We kept it strict.
Don't mention the S off of my name. Don't talk about me.
Spice. Spice, I thank you for sitting.
Anyway, our conversation now has expired. So you can do me a favor, suck your mother.
Alright, so, Mom,
blood clot,
I hope you see this. So, I hope whenever Spice is sick and she comes to KPH,
you want to know everything about me.
Whenever we talk about fuck
your
Spice,
time expire, come off of my name and find Fix. Stop blood clot.
I hope that when she's sick and comes to the hospital,
everything about you. All the shoes, all your blue shoes, me ate for your foot. You me ate you over there.
This is not exactly
your blood clot time expire about that. Try to stop me.
Wow, that was just wild, like honestly wild. And I since then me don't know if me don't want to talk to Spice. You tell me if I go say it's my mother, so not care if me tell you say your song or your album them trash and it flop and all kind of things. Me still never think say that was warranted. It better you do that outside of the camera, but you do that for the whole public to see. Me I'm like, boy, that kind of tough, but I think Nara is also a smart man. Similar to Spice, they are both smart. and they know when something is a good business opportunity and a good moment. So you have to go separate the personal hat there and put on the professional hat that might be like, you know what, this is going to be a pop culture moment, the streets are going to get talking, you know, you have the heels of like a Jeffrey podcast, you know, whatever, getting an interview with Shensia. So the Fix getting a moment like this now is going to give them some, you know, oomph and a resurgent in the streets in terms of conversations. So it is a plus for the Fix, right? And I'm sure for Spice, it's just a moment for her once again to have another viral moment. She's also in her promo run promoting her album. And what a better place to go so than the place where Shensia never did go. You get me? So it's one of them little something there. You don't want to stretch it down the streets. So Jeffrey go here, so Shensia go here. You know them little something there. So it's going to make for a lot of interesting conversation. But I just am very curious, like, is she going to apologize? Did she apologize, and what would that apology look like? And will Naro actually accept the apology? Honestly. Or we just do it and just kiki and kia whatever. Because you know the media stay, you have to laugh and Spice is very good at interviews, don't get me wrong. She's one of the best entertainers and the most entertaining entertainers in an interview. Because when you talk about eloquence, when you're talking about knowing how to bounce back and find questions and having moments, Spice is probably one of the best in the games at that. Right? Better than most of the man and stuff. She understands media to the T. Right? And I think the Fix, Naro and the team, they're very good as well. And so, boy, let's just see how this whole entire thing will play out, burritos. But let me know in the comments, would you have invited Spice on your channel if she did tell you to go and S your mother? Or would you have just put on your business hat and do the do? Sound off below. And number one goes to Sleep Naked. Woo! Yeah! Oh, yay! Wow! Finally something I can actually applaud. Because, you know, some of the other topics, them number one did really rough when you have to clap. But I guess we can all applaud like sleeping naked, especially in these very hot times. Big up Tommy Chin, we are hyperventilating, gosh. Yeah, man. And so this video is from an interview. You know, in the same vein of Rosie, and a 30 grand dress and a 30 grand, yeah, man, Prince and Zora was sleeping. In the same spirit of that interview was this one. Just take a look.
Me have to sleep naked at night time to me at 1 week now no light. At 2 me come on road me put on that frack. So me Sunday I'll know he's still in a shorts. Me have to cook me food early at the evening time because me no want eat mosquito and fly. I wash me porky a river, me have to go. Me no want me porky Renk. Me can't have sex at night time because me no want to get up with the Renk.
Oh God, no, honestly, like, why are Jamaicans like this? Like, Why every time you bring a camera crew someplace, you always have a person like this, so just full of personality, and the thought then we're going to find the camera and get a moment. Like this has to be the bite of the week. No, I have to congratulate her on using like the cute little vulgar words like pokey. You know, the hokey pokey, yeah man, you use little words like pokey, and that was all fine and dandy. And then she thought she had to go sleep naked, she can't get for watching the mosquito them like, come on man, and then the vice. You have some vice that is a Jamaican vice. You hear a woman like that, she could have also named Beryl. She could have also named Beryl, because you remember the song, you want no Rupert, blouse and skirt. She have a similar track here. The little throat box there, it have like something lodging there. That is a Jamaican sound, like you can't hear it. Oh my God, them vice there, are the vice them are supposed to be wholesale. And a ball out for get served. You just can't know it, yeah man. And anyway you go, you're going to hear a vice like that. But that definitely was the bite of the week. And I guess the message is, Burritos, do you sleep naked? Oh, you want me to answer the question, right? Actually don't, because I think of a moment like this where something like that did happen one time. It was actually the hurricane that did really come shake up Jamaica a couple months ago. And that was a situation, but lucky thing, we decided to put on like one underpants. And I was in bed sleeping, the earthquake come, I never know where I go on, and I ran out straight outside. And when we reached outside, I actually realized that I did the outside and that there was actually an earthquake. Now imagine if I did sleep naked. So that's what I think about. Like suppose any event happened here for dash out, how would you want the world to just be seeing you? When TVJ camera come show up there, where you want? Just butt cheeks and balls swinging? Or would you want to be presentable? That is the gift that I am leaving with you right now, and that visual. Happy, no, oh shoot, I thought it was Saturday, it's not Sabbath. Happy Monday. God, once again, these countdowns are really getting awkward with the burritos, but they're still here watching for some reason. Right. Well, that's it, burritos. We've come to the end of the Monday social media top 10 countdown. I know you enjoyed, so make sure you send a like, and a comment, and a share, and a subscribe. Yes, man, tell a friend to tell a friend. Share the video, all of these things. Follow me on all my social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over. And to advertise within the social media countdown, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. All right, take care until next time.
The dirty, yeah, the berry, yeah, the juicy, yeah, the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me, I what happening on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.